So, up until now, because I worked every weekend, we've not been around to go and do things like brunch. So, the first time we have a day off at the weekend at the same time, we head over to Brewdog. So, we've been there a couple of times for their burgers and for their cauliflower wings, and the food has been really, really good. But there's something on the menu which is only available at the weekends, which is their veggie haystack. Now, when I think of haystack, I think of like loaded fries, but this is just your kind of bog standard brunch, but it's so good. It comes with sourdough toast, mushrooms, tomatoes. There are like homemade beans, tomato, like little cherry tomato things, crispy kale, poblano peppers, a big old mushroom. I can't remember if I said that, and smashed avocado. It was so good. And I'm really, really glad that we actually came out to do it. And I kind of hope that we have a weekend day together sometime soon so we can do it again. Also, to go with it, Leo had this. This is a beer flight. So you can pick 4 beers and they'll give you a third of a pint of each. And yeah, they were really knowledgeable about it as well, because Leo ordered his beers and then we ordered the vegan haystacks, and the guy serving us was like, oh, hang on a second, are you vegan? Because you can't have that one because it's got lactose in it. So that was really good, knowing that, while we accidentally ordered something that wasn't vegan, we quickly got told that we couldn't have it. Brilliant. So yeah, brunch. This is such a treat. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and we will see you again soon.